This is Lic Aao Prelims model test number 43. Okay, students, let's try to solve this question here. How many persons? 7 persons, A, B, C, D, F, G, like different laptops, Samsung, Apple, Lenovo, Dell, HP, Sony, and Toshiba. They attend seminar on each different days of the week, starts from Monday to Sunday. No two persons have seminar on the same day of the week. Okay, students, they have seminars from Monday to Sunday. Come on, what's happening here? D likes Sony. So D is equals to Sony. And then he says E attends the seminar on Wednesday. E is attending on Wednesday. Two persons attend the seminar in between E and the one who likes Toshiba. Two people between E and the one who likes Toshiba. Is it possible before E? No. It should be after E. Toshiba. Next. Three persons attend the seminar between F who likes Apple and G who attends the seminar on neither Monday nor Saturday. Three people between F likes Apple, and then the other one is G who attends the seminar neither on Monday nor on Saturday. So this is not for G here. At the same time, Saturday is also not for G. Next line. At least two persons attend the seminar before D. At least two before D, minimum two. So D has a possibility from Thursday, Friday, Sunday, not on Saturday. ఎందుకంటే D already likes Sony. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? సో అందుకోసం D ఎప్పుడమ్మా Thursday, Friday or Sunday. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో చదువు. Two people have the seminar between B who likes Samsung and D. So B equals to Samsung. Two people between D and B. Vice versa. Positions can change. Next ఏమిటో చదువు. The one who likes HP is neither G nor E. E is not HP and G also is not equals to. The one who likes Dell attends the seminar after C but not immediate. After C is Dell but not immediate. Not immediate. One person attends the seminar in between the one who likes Sony and HP. Sony and HP. Sony and ఎవరమ్మా? D. అవునా కాదా? So am I done with all my clues? Yes. What should I do? What is the best way of solving the question? Look at the possibility which covers more places. Look at the possibility which covers more places. F, Apple and G. It will cover how many places? 5 places. Any places amma? 5 places. ఒకవేళ F, Apple ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే 1, 2, 3 G డ తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా? చెప్పాలి. ట్రై చేద్దాం. చూద్దాం ఏమైతుందో. F, Apple and G. Next ఏమిటి? Come on. G does not like HP అన్నాడు. Happy. Two people between D and Sony. D and B. Already as discussed, D should be on Thursday, Friday or Sunday. If this is D, two people and this should be B. And if this is D, this should be B. Fix అయిపోయారు కదా? ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది? Samsung or Sony, Samsung or Sony. అవునా కదా? This is not HP and this is not HP and HP has how many chances? Only one chance. అంతేనా? ఇంకెవరు? C గురించి మాట్లాడే. C తర్వాత ఎవరు ఉండాలి? Dell ఉండాలి. But not immediate. If I put C here, this cannot be Dell because that place is already occupied by D and B. D and B and it can be Sony or Samsung. So this is C. Not immediate, that place cannot be del, so this has to be del. Avuna kada. And then he says D and Sony and HP, there should be 1. Already this is HP kada. Chappandamma. So pakka yes. So this is Sony. Samsung. And there is one mobile company that is left out. What is it? Lenovo. A, B, C, D, A is missing. So this is A. Done? Yes. Simple. Who among the following persons likes HP? Who likes HP? C. How many persons attend seminar in between G and the one who likes Apple? G and the one who likes Apple, I see 3 people in between them. Who attends the seminar on Saturday? Saturday is A. How many persons attend seminar before the one who likes Dell? Before the one who likes Dell, I see 4 people out there. C is related to Sony. How is C related to Sony? 2 days before Sony is C. C is related to Sony. 2 days ahead of Sony is C. And D is related to Toshiba. How is D related to Toshiba? 2 days ahead of Toshiba. Then G must be related to Samsung. Clear? This is another question, and it says certain number of persons are sitting in a linear row and facing north. 5 people are sitting between P and R. M sits third to the left of P. 5 people are sitting between P and R. M sits third to the left of P. Ante kada? 5 persons are sitting between P and R. Shall I go to the left side of P or right side of P? Which is the best one? Amma? 5 persons are sitting between P and R. You want me to go to the left side or right side? Right side. Why right side? Because it covers more places. And this is R. If I go to the left side, I'll cover only how many places? 7 places. But now I have covered 10 places, which is 3 more than if I go to the left side of P. So in this type of question, where you see a question which is based on certain number of people sitting in a linear row, what's my best suggestion to you is always go with the possibility which covers more places. And this is what we have been doing, and this is how we are practicing. Most of the times you will get the answer with this possibility itself. Next he says, M sits third to the left of P. 3 people sit between S and W. W who sits to the immediate left of R. W who sits to the immediate left of R, but he says 3 people between W. Teliyadu kada? We are not sure where is this S. Avuna kada? Wait. Go for the next line. The number of persons sitting between R and S is same as T and S. Now look at this. R and S, T and S. This S is repeating twice. So what did you understand from this point? S is exactly between R and T. S who is not an immediate neighbor of P. Earlier 3 people between W and S. If I put S here, S becomes immediate neighbor of P. It's very clear. S is not an immediate neighbor of P. 3 people between W and S. The number of people between R and S is same as S and T. Done? Next. The number of persons sitting between R and W is same as between M and U. R and W, 0. M and U should also be 0. U sits to the left of M and second from one of the ends. U sits to the left of M and second from one of the ends. Sarpain kada? Next line. The number of persons sitting between S and N is 1 more than the number of persons between U and P. S and N is 1 more than U and P. How many between U and P? 3. S and N should be 1 more and it should be 4. And he says N sits at one of the ends. So it has to be right side of S. Done with the question? Let me count how many are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. How many persons? 20. What's the first question? How many persons are sitting in the row? 20. How many persons are sitting between R and N? How many between R and N? Let me count. 3, 3, 6 and 1 is 7. Option 2. Who among the following sits fourth to the left of S? Who is sitting fourth to the left of S? W. Ninth, who among the following persons sits between R and T? Who is sitting between R and T? I see only one person there and it is S. How many persons are sitting to the right of the one who sits third to the right of R? Third to the right of R is yes. Right of S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 members, option 3. Question number 11, what's happening here? 8 persons, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S are purchasing different air conditioners, that is Toshiba, Daikin, Voltas, LG, Blue Star, Hitachi, Videocon and Samsung. They purchased one after the other but not necessarily in the same order. So how many? 8 persons. And they are purchasing one after the other. M purchased. M purchased Voltas. 3 persons purchased air conditioners between R and the one who purchased Hitachi. How many people? 3. Between R and Hitachi. Next. 2 persons are purchased air conditioners between N and L. L who purchased Samsung. 2 between N and L who purchased Samsung. No person purchased air conditioner after N. No one is purchasing air conditioner after N. N should be in the last position. And how many in between them? 2. And what did L purchase? Samsung. Next is S purchased Videocon air conditioner. What did S purchase? 3 persons purchased air conditioner between L and S. S who purchased air condition is immediately before the one who purchased Hitachi. Amma, what is it telling us? Amma? L and? Yeah. S purchased Videocon. 3 persons purchased air conditions in between L and S. Amma, L and S, how many people? Is it possible after L? It has to be before L. And what did he purchase? Videocon. And there's one point here, S who purchased air conditioner immediately before the one who purchased Hitachi. When I write Hitachi here, I think I've written something about Hitachi before. And what's that? R. 1, 2, 3, this should be R. Is this clear? What's the next line? Please read it for me. Amma? Chadwali. 3 purchased air conditioners between K and the one who purchased LG conditioner. K purchased air conditioner immediately after the one who purchased Hitachi. Immediately after Hitachi is K. And how many between K and LG? 3. So this should be LG. I think now I can fix M Voltas. M Voltas should be immediately after K. There is no other possibility. So this is Voltas. P is not purchasing LG air conditioner but immediate to the one who purchased Daikin Air. P is not purchasing what? LG but immediate to the one who purchased Daikin. So P is not LG and Pakka, this is P, there is no other option, and he is immediate to the one who purchased Daikin. But is missing there, please add but. P is not purchasing LG air conditioner but immediate to the one who purchased Daikin air conditioner. 2 persons are purchasing air conditions in between the one who purchased Daikin and the one who purchased Toshiba. 2 between Daikin and Toshiba. This is the only possibility that we have. There's no other possibility other than this. Okay, so the names are K, L, M, N, P, Q. Q is missing, this is Q. And there's one company that is missing. It is Blue Star. It is Blue Star. Clear? So this was the easy puzzle. Let me get into the questions here. 11. Who among the following person is purchasing Toshiba? R. How many persons are purchasing between P and the one who purchased LG? How many between P and the one who is purchasing LG? 4 persons. Isn't it? Come on. 13. Who among the following persons is purchasing Daikin air conditioner? Daikin is purchased by K. The number of persons purchasing between S and the one who purchased Samsung air conditioner is same as the number of persons. S and Samsung, how many do you see? 3. So there should be 3 in between them. The one who purchased Hitachi and Q, there are 4. N and LG, how many? 0 between N and LG. M and the one who purchased Blue Star, is it 3? Yes. M and Blue Star, is it 3? Yes. 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Then which one does not belong to the group? R and Blue Star. I see one person purchasing between R and Blue Star. P and Voltas, one person. K and LG. K and LG, how many? 3. S and Daikin, 1. M and Toshiba, also 1. Which option should be my answer? K and LG. Is this clear? So, Babu, I want you to pay attention here. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. 10 persons are sitting. Don't be busy with your own work. Okay? Please look at the board. 10 persons are sitting in 2 parallel rows with equal distance between them and facing each other. Row 1, A, B, C, D, E are seated. All of them are facing north. Row 2, P, Q, R, S, T are seated and all of them are facing south, but not necessarily in the same order. A to E is facing north, alphabetical order. P, Q, R, S, T, P to T are facing south. What's the first point? C sits third to the right of E. C is sitting third to the right of E. This is E, 1, 2, 3, C. You'll have another 4 people above. Clear? And I need only one person more. Maybe he's in the extreme right or extreme left, whatever it is. Then he says, one who sits second to the right of R is facing E. Facing E is this person and he is second to the right of R. Second to the right of R is our left because R is facing south. 2 persons are sitting between P and S. S who is facing B. P is not an immediate neighbor of R. If P is not an immediate neighbor of R, what are the possibilities for P? 3 possibilities. Any possibilities? 3 possibilities. If I put P here, this should be S here, but S is opposite to. If I take P here, 2 people between P and S, kudurtada? So that extra person is here. This is P, 2 people between P and S, S is opposite to. Clear? One person sits between A and D, D who is not facing P. D who is not facing P, so this is D and F. Done? Chapandi. Next, 2 persons are sitting between Q and T. To T who is sitting at one of the extreme ends. So this has to be T, this should be Q. Pretty easy. Even though you have 5 in each row, we could easily fix them without any problem. Avuna kada? First, how many persons are sitting between S and the one who faces A? Between S and the one who faces A. How many? 2. Who among the following persons sits second to the left of the one who faces Q? Who is facing Q? C. Second left, B. B for Bombay. 4 out of the following 5 are like obvious guy, it will be based on corner seats. TP, EA are in the corners. TP, EA, R is not in the corner. Who amongst the following pair sits at the extreme ends? TE or PA? TE, PA, TE. 4th option. Who amongst the following person sits Second to the left of T. Second to the left of T is R. 21. I have questions on syllogisms here. I want you to pay attention. All books are pens. Only a few pens are bottles. Only a few pens are bottle. Arrow mark from B to A. No bottle is a pot. No bottle is a pot. Done. First, all books are pots. Do you see all books inside pot? No. Some books are not pots. The complementary for some books are not pots is all books are pots. All books are pots is wrong. There is a possibility that my answer can be either or. Can be. But we will decide only after completing the question whether it is either or not. Antena? First and the extent is some books are not pots. Right or wrong? Right. Positive or negative? Negative. What is the complementary for some books are not pots? All books are pots. Around books I can happily draw pot. Pot and bottle should not touch each other. Any problem? No problem. When this is right, this is automatically wrong. But what is the complementary? All books are pots. You said all books are pots is wrong, but here you are saying all books are pots is right. What should be my answer? Either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2. Next. Only a few stands are rooms. Arrow mark from B to A. All rooms are chairs. No chair is a. Some rooms are not tables is a possibility. What is the first part before possibility? Some rooms are not tables. Is it possible in the basic diagram itself? Yes. So some rooms are not tables. Is it a possibility? Yes, it is a possibility. Next, all chairs are stands is a possibility. Can I take all the chairs inside stands? If I take all the chairs inside stands, R will also go. But arrow mark, is it helping? Chapanamma. When I take all the chairs inside stands, I will also take R. Can R go inside S? Yes, kada. Is it a possibility? Yes. What's the answer? Both 1 and 2. ఇమీడియట్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్స్ ఉండాలమ్మా. ఫాస్ట్గా గ్రహించేసాలి ఏదైనా విషయాన్ని. ఇంతసేపు చూడదు ఒక చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ని. సమ్ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఆర్ యాపిల్స్. ఓన్లీ a few apples are mangoes. Some mangoes are kiwis. Some fruits are kiwis. Is there any relationship between fruit and kiwi? No. Some apples are kiwis. Is there any relationship between apple and kiwi? No. What's your answer? Neither one. Neither one. Now this is a question on directions. He says point R is 4 meters to the north of point O. Point R is 4 meters to the north of point O. Next, point S is east of O. S is to the east of O, but I am not sure, Gada. Distance is mentioned or not mentioned? Not mentioned. We are not sure. When you are not sure, yes, we will see some more lines. Maybe after a couple of lines, you might find something related to S. But what's the next point? N is 3 meters to the east of M. M which is 4 meters to the M which is 4 meters to the north of R, and before that is N is 3 meters to the east of M. Point P is 5 meters to the west of Q. Point P is 5 meters to the west of Q. Q ekkadundo teliyadu kada. Next ఏమిటంటే చూడు. Point P is 4 meters to the south of N. Point P is 4 meters to the south of N. 4 meters to the south of N ante exactly parallel to P. Avuna kada? So this is 5 and this is Q. Done? What's the point next? Come on. Point NPS are in a straight line. Point NPS are in a straight line. East of O should be S, and all the three form a straight line. How much is this? 3. How much is this? 4. Clear? What's the first question? What is the shortest distance between R and S? How much is this? 4 and 3. Pythagoras theorem. 5. 3, 4, 5. 6, 8, 10. తెలుసా తెలీదా? 9, 12, 15 అంతే కదా? గుడ్. These shortcuts, it will help us without, you can get the answer without calculations also. What is the direction of point M with respect to S? What is this? Northwest. 26. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are belonging to a family. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. R is the child of W. Who is this R? Child of W. W has one granddaughter. So W has one granddaughter. Intenamma? W has one granddaughter. U is the mother-in-law of T. Who is this U? T is spouse's mother. Mother-in-law is your spouse's mother kada. So U is the mother-in-law of T and T's spouse's mother is U. And then he says Q is the, who is this Q? Father of S. W has only, Amma, 2 children. W has only 2 children. Done. Next line. P is the spouse of Q. P is the spouse of Q. V is the, V is the nephew of P. W is the father-in-law of Q. W is the father-in-law of Q. When he says W is the father-in-law of Q, W should be the father of P kada. Chapandamma. So pakka this is P, this is Q and this is S. Done. So I am done with this. This part is over. Okay. Next line. Next. V is the nephew of P. Nephew of P ante your siblings son. Your siblings son. Then P has how many siblings? Only one sibling. Enduku? Because W has only 2 children. W has only 2 children. అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికి? సో పక్క ఇక్కడ ఎవరు రావాలమ్మా? మేల్ కదా చెప్పాలి. మొత్తం 8 మెంబర్స్ ఇన్ ఏ ఫ్యామిలీ. ప్రస్తుతానికి ఎన్ని కవర్ చేస్తాం మనం? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ఇంకెంతమందికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది? 2 వ్యక్తులకి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో చూడు. T is the sister-in-law of P. So can I take T here? Yes. T is the sister-in-law of P. Double. And this person will be male. Because T is married kada. Who is the mother-in-law of T? U. This is U. Mother-in-law. W is. And W has one granddaughter and chadivam ikkada. Who is that granddaughter? Yes. Total number of members in the family? 8. అయిపోయిందా లేదా 8? సింపుల్. లింక్ కనెక్షన్ దొరకకపోతే పక్కగా రాసుకొని తర్వాత కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. If you are unable to connect from the starting, you have to write that information separately, and whenever you get some good clue, immediately connect that. That is how you are supposed to do the question. What many people do is, without writing all this, they get confused. Question చుట్టూ తిరుగుతారు కానీ ఆన్సర్ రాదు. మీలో కొంతమందికి అది జరిగి ఉండిద్ది. అవునా కాదా? So who is the father of V? Who is the father of V? R. How is S related to R? How is S related to R? Niece. 28. How is U related to V? U is the grandmother of V. Let's go for the next puzzle here. What's this? There are 5 stars K, L, M and O in a Milky Way. Star M is brighter than L but not brighter than star N. 5 kada. Star K is only brighter than L. K is only brighter than L. After K there is only one person, and that is L. Sorry, one star, that is L. Star O is not the brightest among all. O is not the brightest but brighter than M. Amma, O is not the brightest. This is not the first place for O, but is brighter than M. Can I put O here? No, because O is brighter, greater than M. So this is O, this is M. 1 is N. How many stars are brighter than K? 3. Next. Which star is the brightest among the given stars? N. 34, 35. This is a question on coded inequalities. Easy, but still, I'll tell you. There are how many statements given to us? 3 statements. You need to connect T and E. You are supposed to connect whom, mama? T and E. Antena kada? If you observe carefully, R is equals to E. R is equals to E. I'll directly place E in the place of R. What is the conclusion? T less than or equals to E. Right or wrong? 100% right. H2G. Ma, H2G. Whose help am I supposed to take from H2G? H2G. Come on, come on. Guess. Where should I start my journey from? Avuna kada? H to Q. H is less than Q. Q to R. Q is less than R. But R greater than, less than, greater than, opposite symbols. What's your answer? Cannot be determined. Understood? Now, N and W. For N to W, I need to take the help of K. N to K, K to W. N less than K, K less than or equals to W. Pakka right, N less than W. 100% right. Next, M to G. M to G ante I need to take the help of D. Antena? M to D. M to D, M less than or equals to D, D less than or equals to G. Right or wrong? Right. What's the answer? Both 1 and 2 follows. Now we are looking for number series. Can you please tell me the number of number series? What's the number? 76. 76. Okay, how much is this? See, I don't see huge increase, it's very gradual. So we'll go with the differences. Is it plus 1 or minus 1? Minus 1. How much is this? Plus 5. Plus 23. How much is this? Amma? 59. ఏంటమ్మా ఇదేమో -1 వచ్చింది, ఆ తర్వాత ప్లస్ ఏం జరుగుతుంది సార్? ఇడా ఎట్లా చేద్దాం సార్? ఎనీ గెసెస్? 23 పనికొచ్చే నెంబర్ గెస్ చేయండి. 23 పనికొచ్చే నెంబర్ గెస్ చేయి. 23 నుంచి గెస్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేయి. కమాన్ కమాన్, యూ కెన్. 23 I can write it as 5 square minus 2. 3 cube minus 4. Come on, 59. Chappu. 4 cube minus 5. Raicha Raikudda. Chappandama. Yes, 5. Chappu. 2 cube minus 1. 1 cube minus 2. 1 cube 1 minus 2 is minus 1. What should be my next number? 5 cube minus 6. What is 5 cube? Amma? 125 minus 6. Come on, come on, I need an answer. 119 plus 119. 276. Clear? నెంబర్లు చూడంగానే వాటి గొప్పతనాన్ని గ్రహించాలి. As soon as you see the numbers, you should immediately catch the greatness of the numbers. Number series is all about identifying the numbers, playing games with the numbers. Number series is all about identifying the numbers. ఆట ఆడుకోవాలి నెంబర్లతోని, తెలుసా? ఇంక్రీసింగా డిక్రీసింగా? అమ్మా, huge or gradual? Gradual. Come on, how much is this? Minus 3. Come on. Minus 7. Minus 13. Minus 3, minus 7, minus 13. What's your guess here? 5 difference. ఏమిటమ్మా 6, 4 and 6, 3 and 7, 3 and 7 difference is how much? 4. 7 and 13 is 6. Maybe next is 8. 8 అంటే -21. -21 అంటే ఓకే. ఏం చేద్దాం? ఆల్మోస్ట్ హాఫ్ చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఆల్మోస్ట్ హాఫ్ డివైడెడ్ బై 2. This also looks to me like divided by 2. This is also divided by 2. 150 divided by 2, 75 plus 11. 86 divided by 2, 43 plus 11. ఇది కూడా divide by 2 plus 11 divided by 2 plus 11 అవ్వయి ఉండొచ్చు. 534, 267 plus 11. 278, 139 plus 11. So divided by 2 plus 11. What is 54 divided by 2? 27 plus 11. How much is the answer? Increasing or decreasing? Increasing. Huge or gradual? Huge. Very huge. Because a 2-digit number became a 4-digit number. Always start from 2-digit to 3-digit. That is the best way of solving the question. Into 4. 74 is 280. 4 times of 1? 4. 284 plus 3. అప్పుడు ఇది పక్కా ఇంటూ 3 అవ్వాలి. 69 చెప్పండమ్మా. ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ 2 ప్లస్ 1 ఇంటూ 5 ప్లస్ 4 ఇంటూ 5 ప్లస్ 4. వాట్ షుడ్ బి మై ఆన్సర్? 1439. Last question of the day. Increasing or decreasing? Huge increase or gradual increase? Gradual. How much is this? Amma? 18. And what about this? 20. And this is 30. And this here is 57. Pakka 57. What should be my next number? I have seen the numbers. I don't understand what's happening here. I'll go with difference of difference. How much is this? 3. This 9. This 27. What should this be? 81. 3, 9, 27. 3 per 1, 3 per 2, 3 per 3, 3 per 4. 57 plus 81. How much is that? 100 and... What should be the answer? 283. Any doubts? Thank you.